Ever had that sinking feeling when you check your bank balance and it's, well, not what you expected? Now, imagine that with your YouTrip card. You're abroad, maybe grabbing a souvenir or buying that last-minute coffee, and bam, your YouTrip balance somehow dips into the negative. What then? Do alarms go off? Does the travel police show up at your hotel room? Or are you suddenly on a most wanted list in a foreign country? It's a scenario many YouTrip users might quietly dread, a silent fear lurking in the back of their minds as they tap their card around the world. We all know YouTrip is fantastic for its great exchange rates and fee-free foreign currency transactions. It's designed to keep you in control of your spending. But what happens when that control seems to slip and you find yourself in the red? Let's unravel this mystery, because understanding it will not only ease your mind but also help you use your YouTrip card even more confidently. First off, let's clarify how a negative YouTrip balance can even happen, since it's a prepaid MasterCard. Generally, prepaid cards are designed to prevent you from spending more than you have. You load money onto it, and you spend that money. Simple, right? However, there are a few specific situations where your YouTrip balance could temporarily go negative. The most common culprit? Offline transactions. Think about it. Some vending machines, in-flight purchases, or even certain transit systems might process payments offline. This means the transaction isn't immediately authorized with your YouTrip balance. If you have just enough money for a purchase, and then another offline transaction goes through before your balance updates, it could push you into a negative. Another less common scenario involves refunds and reversals. Imagine you made a purchase, the money was deducted, and then the merchant processes a refund. If, for some reason, the refund is processed before the original transaction fully settles, or if there's a subsequent charge from the same merchant that wasn't immediately authorized, it could lead to a temporary negative balance. It's usually a timing issue, a brief glitch in the matrix of international transactions. So, you've checked your app, and there it is, a minus sign next to your balance. Deep breaths. The good news is, you won't be hounded by debt collectors in a foreign land. YouTrip's system is designed to handle these rare occurrences. What typically happens is that your next top-up will first be used to clear that negative balance. So, if you're negative by 5 Singapore dollars and you top up 50 Singapore dollars, your available balance will become 45 Singapore dollars. It's automatically reconciled. YouTrip encourages users to maintain a positive balance, and it's always wise to keep a little buffer, especially if you anticipate making offline purchases or using the card in places with potentially delayed transaction processing. If you notice a negative balance, the best course of action is to top up your card as soon as possible. This brings your account back into good standing and ensures you can continue using your card without interruption. You won't incur interest charges, late fees, or damage to your credit score because YouTrip isn't a credit facility. It's a prepaid card, and any negative balance is essentially an unsettled debt to YouTrip, which they expect you to cover with your next top-up. In essence, a negative YouTrip balance isn't a crisis. It's a temporary state, usually due to the asynchronous nature of some transactions. It's quickly and painlessly resolved with your next top-up. So, the next time you're adventuring with your YouTrip card, you can rest assured that even if the numbers dip below zero for a moment, it's easily fixable and won't derail your travels. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.